Hey y'all, today I'll be showing you 3 intro to pole spins. The first spin is the inside leg hook. The second one is the falling lady. And the third one is the back hook variation. So first up, we're starting with the inside leg hook spin. You want your inside hand high, outside hand across, bending the inside knee, and you're going to pull yourself forward or fall forward until the back of your inside knee catches onto the pole. So I'm going to show this from different angles. You're falling until the back of your knee hits the pole, and then you're going to bring your outside leg forward and slide down. So as you're pulling away from the pole, inside knee is bent, falling forward again. You want to fall until you catch the back of the knee, bend that inside leg, outside leg comes forward, and slide it all the way down to the floor. So now that we've reached the floor, that straight leg is just going to slide back. You're going to go to the top of your toes or your toe box or a platform, extend the leg, extend the other leg, roll onto your stomach, push the booty back, step right, step left, grab the pole, and arch up to stand. Next, we have our falling lady spin. So first, arms across, close, arm not across, open. So I'm going to show from the other side. You want your chest to be open because we're falling back. So here's open, here is closed, open, and open. Okay, so we are open, our toes are close to the base, our hips are pressing away from the pole. Okay, we're going to keep our feet on the ground. So what's going to happen, you're going to fall back, the back of your knees are going to catch onto the pole, and you're going to slide down again. Here it is from a different angle, toes close to the base, hips away from the pole. Falling back until you feel the pole hit the back of your knees, okay? So it's really important to get your hips away from the pole so you can get some momentum and spin and revolutions around the pole. Again, chest is open, toes are close to the base, hips are pulling away from the pole, falling back, catching the knees, and then extending out to finish. Now, how do we get out? Extend the top leg, bring that top leg towards your face for a fan kick. Roll onto your shins, grab the pole, step, and bring the booty up. Again, falling back, catching the knees, good, laying out, breathing. Extending the top leg, fan kicking on the floor, rolling onto your shins, stepping until you stand up and finish. Woo! Alright, so we're on to number 3. And number 3, we have the back hook variation spin. So again, you want your chest to be open because we're falling back. Alright, so again, just showing you where the chest is open, where it's closed. So arm across, closed. Arm not across, open. Okay, so chest is open, same concept as before. We're going to fall back until the back of our inside leg catches onto the pole. Okay, so not both legs, just one leg is catching onto the pole. Pulling away from the pole again, bending the inside knee until the back of the inside knee catches onto the pole. So what's happening with the outside leg? The outside leg just turns out kind of like an attitude position. So inside knee is turned in, outside leg is turned out, and I will show it again, of course. Just showing you how to get up again with the fan kick to step. So pulling away from the pole, falling back, hooking the inside knee, turning the outside knee out until you reach the ground, laying out, leaning back, fan kicking again towards your face, rolling onto your shins, grabbing the pole, and arching up. So I'm just trying to show you different angles. It's kind of hard in heels. But there we go again with the outside leg turning out. Maybe a little butterfly action, you know. Okay. So knee turning out. Inside knee bends. So just bends, hooking onto the pole. And voila. That is it. I hope you enjoy. See you soon. Bye.